Good day everyone who is watching my introduction video for Upwork. By the way, I'm Froilan Miguel. This introduction video, I want to show you my past work experience in data analysis. By the way, I'm really sorry I don't have camera today. This recorded video are guide and mistake for those tasker did not do their job correctly. I was making this video in order them to understand on how to do their job correctly, because my job here is to review all the quality of the data before the client gets the data. Okay, as you can see here, guide and tips on copy motion, attributes, etc. Because our task here is to um, our task is to do annotate some vehicles. We are focusing data vehicles, as you can see. As you can see here, I was teaching the tasker how really important of the box to do, how it's really it needs to be tight as possible. I was adjusting the box here in order to be fit as possible, tight as possible. Sorry. There's a lot to be there's a lot of error in this task when I was checking this. As you can see, there is 19 and 30. Check. I need to check it truly one by one. As you can see, the tools are provided in our work field. As you can see, this is this white portion and point. This we call these points, this white one. In order to get data, we need some vehicles also to get the data in every corner of the highway, as you can see there. This is the important of this task is to for me is to check the data quality. It's only focused to the quality, because the task was depend on me on how the quality good. By the way, thank you for watching my video. This only I can show you, but I have lots of video that I recorded the past few months, but this is only I can show you. You can see here. This one. This one. I was pointing to this truck. Needs to be the position needs to be correct. And I was doing here to separate other boxes. The box is called cuboid. The other box should be separate for the trailer, for the truck and trailer, like this one, as you can see there. Right? It needs to be tight as possible because the client requests it. This is the correct format. And now, how to make cuboid boxes. It's the same, but we call it cuboid, the box. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good day.